man is preparing new business. He chose a Model 20 mini excavator to undertake some piping construction, engineering work of gardening and demolition. Mini excavator is becoming more and more popular for its high versatility. A 40 horsepower high-powered engine, the control system of Model 20, is left and right joysticks. Operation is smooth and easy to learn. Highlights its large power. There is an independent counterweight chassis at the back. It's only 1.1 meters wide. Can go through narrow places. The young man learned for 10 minutes. He can easily handle it. It's very simple. Please come and visit the factory.